Now I'm describing you about the Sinharaja forest in Sri Lanka. It is located in the southwestern region of Sri Lanka. It is a pristine tropical rainforest and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. With its rich biodiversity and ecological significance, Sinharaja forest is considered one of the last remaining primary rainforests in the country, spanning an area of approximately 11,187 hectares. It serves as a vital conservation area for numerous endemic species and plays a crucial role in maintaining the island's environmental equilibrium. The name Sinharaja translates to Lion Kingdom, reflecting its historical connection to ancient Sinhalese royalty. The forest is nestled amidst the wet zone of Sri Lanka. It is characterized by its high rainfall and elevated terrain. It serves as a catchment area for numerous rivers, contributing to the water supply of nearby regions. Sinharaja Forest is renowned for its remarkable biodiversity. It is home to an astonishing variety of flora and fauna, with many species found exclusively within its boundaries. The forest houses over 3,000 plant species, including rare orchids, towering trees, and diverse understory vegetation. The dense canopy creates a unique microclimate, resulting in high humidity and an array of plant adaptations. The forest also supports a rich animal population, including several endemic and endangered species. Sinharaja is famous for its avifauna, hosting approximately 160 bird species, including the Sri Lanka blue magpie, red-faced malkoha, and green-billed cuckoo. Additionally, the forest provides a habitat for various mammals such as the purple-faced langur, Sri Lankan leopard, and endemic rusty-spotted cat. Numerous reptiles, amphibians, and invertebrates also thrive within its lush ecosystem. Exploring Sinharaja Forest offers visitors a chance to immerse themselves in nature's wonders. The forest is crisscrossed by several walking trails, allowing for guided hikes and birdwatching opportunities. The forest's peaceful ambience, punctuated by the songs of its vibrant birdlife, creates a truly enchanting experience. Visitors may encounter exotic plant species, cascading waterfalls, and glimpses of elusive wildlife while trekking through the dense vegetation. Sinharaja Forest stands as a testament to the importance of preserving Earth's invaluable natural heritage. Efforts are made to safeguard the forest's integrity, ensuring sustainable tourism practices and conservation initiatives. By protecting this remarkable rainforest, Sri Lanka aims to preserve its exceptional biodiversity and promote environmental education and research for future generations to appreciate and cherish.